Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Peters and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 powerful natural ingredients that can do wonders for your hair. First ingredient is hibiscus, the second one is fenugreek, and the third one is so guys, the third ingredient is star anise. So let's talk about our first ingredient, hibiscus. Hibiscus is known as one of the best natural remedies for hair growth. It's rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, amino acids, and powerful antioxidants. Hibiscus strengthens the hair roots, promotes thicker hair, and even prevents premature graying. So guys, the next ingredient is star anise. It is also known as the hidden gem for scalp health. Star anise is a spice that not many people know can be amazing for hair. It has antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that promote a clean, healthy scalp. By improving blood circulation to the hair follicles, star anise stimulates new hair growth, plus it leaves a sweet, pleasant fragrance in your hair after use. So guys, the third ingredient that I'm going to be using for this recipe is fenugreek seed. So fenugreek seed is known as the miracle seed for stronger hair. It is also called myrtle seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, which help strengthen hair shaft and promote new hair growth. Fenugreek reduces hair fall, adds volume, and deeply conditions dry, frizzy hair. It also soothes the scalp and fights dandruff and irritation. So guys, for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus, and some star anise. Hibiscus is a natural remedy often used to promote hair growth due to its rich content of vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants. It is believed to stimulate hair follicles, strengthen roots, and potentially reduce hair loss. Hibiscus can be used in various forms, including hair masks, oils, and rinses to enhance hair health and potentially encourage new growth. Star anise, on the other hand, is believed to promote hair growth due to its potential to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. So guys, after adding my ingredients to the pot, I go in with 1.5 cup of water. Then I'm going to leave it to boil on low heat for 10 minutes. So guys, you need to make sure it boils this way before bringing it down. So guys, this is 10 minutes later. The next step is to let this cool down. Then you strain it and put it in a spray bottle for easy application. So guys, I'm straining this for the second time because I noticed small particles inside it. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, please stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this treatment on your hair for massive hair growth. This treatment is also going to stop hair loss, dandruff, shedding. Please stay tuned and watch how I use it on my hair. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to know each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much for always returning back. Thank you. May God bless you all. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this treatment on your hair to promote hair growth, stop hair fall and also stop hair breakage. So guys, you can use this treatment as a pre-poo, as a leave-in treatment, and you can also add it in your marks, hair marks, also in your deep conditioners. When you use hibiscus, fenugreek and star anise together, you will get 1. Faster and healthier hair growth, 2. Stronger, thicker strands, 3. Reduced hair fall and breakage, 4. A dandruff-free, nourished scalp, and 5. Soft, shiny, beautiful hair. So guys, when applying the treatment to your hair, please focus more on your scalp because that is where your hair grows from. Attach the liquid into your scalp. After spraying this treatment on your hair, massage your scalp for like 5 minutes because this helps to open the hair follicles, which promotes healthy hair growth. So guys, ever since I started using herbs and Ayurvedas for my hair, I've noticed changes. My hair is now thicker, smoother, longer and more beautiful. Guys, please, if you really want to grow your hair longer without stress, please try Ayurvedas. Try hair. I have a lot of recipes on my channel. Please check them out and thank me later. Nature has given us everything we need to take care of our hair by adding hibiscus, fenugreek, star anise, aloe vera, so many, name them. By making use of all these herbs, you're giving your scalp the nutrition it craves without chemicals or harsh treatments. So guys, comment down below if you've used any of these herbs or ingredients that I mentioned here. And please also tell us about your hair journey. I would love to hear your stories. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay natural and stay beautiful.